oldest living people in the Americas happened to be the Adirondacks. And Adirondack, in their tongue, it means tree eater. And it was incredible because they really didn't have to come out of the forest at all. I mean, they never came out of the forest much. And they lived in peace. They had everything. They didn't kill any animals. And they used the trees a lot to make bread and all sorts of things. The Gouda that we have, the aged Gouda, is an example of this. And what's so incredible about it is the organisms that it has in it. These organisms, two of them especially, implant. You've got L. salivarius and L. plantarum.
How much the benefit is of the life colloid in your intestinal tract on your terrain. So it's the life colloid intestinal terrain. It's really important to have proper life colloid in the intestine, especially the proteolytic ones, which really are the ones that can produce B vitamins and things. And you've got this in a proper ratio. Otherwise, you could have a lot of couch potatoes, life colloid there that have just been snacking on all sorts of things out of a packet, like Firmicute and Ilprion and other that don't necessarily produce anything too much, but clear up a lot of debris from everything that you've sort of been eating, but doesn't really give you any B vitamin per se. Somebody could do a stool analysis and they could see what the ratio of things are, but I could tell you L. salivarius and L. plantarum probably is missing, and that's part of the reason for Gouda, almond Gouda, the aged almond Gouda. Essential fatty acid synthesis, what almond Gouda helps you create, because it's got all these life colloid in it. So if you bring in a monosaturated oil, which is the only oil that we recommend actually on the nutritional cleanse, which you could read about Jubb cell rejuvenation, that would be really good. You could go to jubbdavid.com and learn a bit more about this and look into where this works.